Today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, we're going to draw a sunflower, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You'll be needing a pen, a pencil, and an eraser. All we really need to do is to start with a circle so that we can place the drawing where we want it. And then you just want kind of circles going inwards. Those are more spirals really, but just to kind of give you a feeling of where the concentric circles are. And then we're going to zigzag our way all around the outside. And I'll speed through this because it's a little boring. There, that should do it. And then take a ring round about here, and then we just need to draw lots of sunflower seeds in a circular kind of pattern, all kind of jumbled up together. And again, I'll speed through this section. And then you're going to want to do a whole lot more, and these are kind of bigger ones on the outside. And you really want to get these sort of close up to each other, but you know, they don't have to be perfect. And then we're going to want to sort of bring more to the outside like this. And like I say, they really don't need to be perfect because we can kind of add bits to it and jumble over the top at the end. And you know, if you've got some spaces like here, fill those in as well. Now in the middle we want them much kind of smaller, and what happens is that they kind of get pollinated by the bees from the middle and they kind of start spreading out. So on the outside you've got lots of little stamens and flowery bits and things like that, whereas in the middle they've all dropped off and they're all just a little bit darker and harder. And now we want to kind of just keep this thing going here and just sort of filling in those spaces like that. And then here we're going to do some little bits sort of radiating out just about that far, and that will create a kind of a domey effect, a shaded kind of effect around here. And then here we're also going to add some more that are a little bit longer just around the bottom to give a bit of curve around the bottom as well. So I hope you can kind of feel that this is, the middle is dropping down and this is sort of pushing up. Join me on Patreon for images, help sheets and a whole lot more. And now we're going to draw the petals. So start about here and draw a curve going out like that, and it doesn't matter if they kind of go a little bit wiggly at the end. And then draw another one coming out the other way too. And then another one going sideways like that. And they don't have to be equal, they don't have to be perfect. Well, you know, a reasonable point at the end would be quite good. What you might want to do is to draw a circle around it again to give you a rough kind of to aim at. And we'll bring that out kind of like that, because that wasn't a good circle, was it? We can bring that there. We can do another one here. Now that's going to go behind here, so we can draw that, and then that will go behind, and then that will come in there. Similarly, that's going behind, as is that's going behind, and we bring that in there. And then just kind of work your way around the clock like that. Now we're going to get more petals kind of in behind there as well. So just fill in these little spaces. Doesn't matter if they go beyond the outside curve, doesn't matter if they're shorter, because it's organic. That's the thing. We can bring that there. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. And now comes the bit that kind of brings it all to life. So first of all, in those little spaces there, just make that much darker. Just in those little gaps. And then basically put a little line through. You can put one up there as well, in fact, in the middle, just to get sort of started. And we're going to work our way around the clock. Let's do these outside ones first, with a little one coming up in the middle like that. And then we want these just kind of to give a feeling of the, the center of the petal. And then you can probably do sort of 3 or 4 of these little sort of grooves. I suppose is what they kind of look like grooves in the petal. And then in each of these petals you might want to do a couple of more kind of shorter ones in the middle, maybe around up at the top. And then all you need to do is to colour in that centre in a kind of a warm autumnal brown, and then of course paint those petals bright sunshine yellow.